Hello everyone. So this is the stick diagram of CMOS inverter. As we have already discussed about the basic rule of CMOS stick diagram designing. First of all, we have to draw two metal lines. One is for VDD and second one is for ground. Then we have to implement two MOSFET. One is PMOS and second is NMOS. And we all know that the diffusion line cannot cross this demarcation line, and only the polysilicon line, means the red line, and the metal line can cross the demarcation line. For any intersection of two different colors, we have to use contact. Okay, and the basic rule of CMOS designing is that we have to use a demarcation line to separate PMOS and NMOS region. So by keeping all these points in our mind, we will try to understand the stick diagram of CMOS inverter. And for this, first of all, so this is the basic circuit of CMOS inverter. This one is PMOS, this is NMOS, input, output, VDD, metal line, ground, metal. So this VDD can be represented with the help of this metal line. This ground can be represented with the help of this metal line. This PMOS diffusion part, means yellow color, is intersecting the metal line, so one contact. This NMOS diffusion part is intersecting this ground line, metal line, so one more contact. These two contacts are used as a via contact in CMOS designing. These cross are not used in NMOS, they are only used in CMOS. Then this NMOS. In CMOS designing, our first aim is to draw NMOS portion. Remember this point. First, we will implement or we will sketch only the NMOS region, and the opposite we will implement for PMOS. So NMOS diffusion line is green, so green line. We have to draw one transistor, we have to make one transistor. For this, when polysilicon intersect a diffusion, a green line or a yellow line, then one transistor will be formed. So one transistor will be formed when a polysilicon line crosses diffusion line. So one transistor, that is NMOS. In upper portion, PMOS. So PMOS is basically P-type, meaning yellow color. When polysilicon crosses this yellow color, then one transistor will be formed, that is PMOS transistor. Clear? Now this portion, what is the use of this portion? As we know that the one rule said that the diffusion P-type or N-type, means the yellow color or green color, cannot cross the demarcation line. So we have to connect these 2 points, means the source of PMOS is connected to VDD, source of NMOS is connected to ground, but the drain, how to connect the drain of PMOS and NMOS? So for this we have to use metal line. So this region is basically a metal, and we all know that when we are connecting our diffusion to metal, then we have to use one contact. In the same way, when we are connecting our diffusion line, means N-type diffusion, with metal, we have to use one contact. So these two contacts are basically to connect the metal with diffusion. We know that metal can cross demarcation line, so metal can easily cross this demarcation line. and from this metal line we can get our output. We also know that polysilicon can also cross demarcation line. So in this figure, this polysilicon means this is common to the gate of both transistors, means the PMOS gate and the NMOS gate are connected with each other the same poly. So this red color is common for the gate of PMOS and NMOS. Clear? This PMOS gate and NMOS gate both are same, and we have applied our input at this point. So this demarcation line is basically above the output line, metal line. So this is metal line from which we are getting our output. So demarcation line is always above this metal line, and it is basically used to differentiate PMOS and NMOS. So hope you all are getting my point, that how we can draw a stick diagram, a CMOS stick diagram from its basic circuit. So this is the basic circuit, basic implementation of CMOS inverter. This one is the stick diagram of CMOS inverter. Okay. So next example is, our next example is, this example is for NAND gate. We are implementing NAND gate with the help of CMOS. So this is the basic structure of NAND gate. A and B NMOS, they are in series. So in CMOS designing, we have to keep one thing in our mind, that first we have to implement NMOS, the expression for NMOS, and the reverse of NMOS we have to implement for PMOS. So if A and B are in series, then definitely A and B are in parallel in PMOS. And if A and B are in parallel in NMOS, then A and B must be in series in case of PMOS. Okay, so two metal lines for VDD and ground. So two metal lines for VDD and ground. These two cross for via connection in CMOS only in CMOS, not in NMOS. Then one demarcation line for PMOS and for NMOS. These two NMOS can be implemented with the help of green line and red line. So there is 1 and 2 MOSFET. So green line for N-type diffusion, because we are using NMOS. This red line for one MOSFET, that is A. Second is for B. Okay. In case of PMOS, we are applying input A. So this A input and this A input both are same. So we can connect these two inputs. Via same polysilicon, like this. And we can connect these two inputs via same polysilicon. So A line, polysilicon for A can also be used for PMOS, and we all know that polysilicon and metal, they can cross demarcation line. So for NMOS, these two MOSFET are in series. This cross is for the connection of diffusion and metal. This metal is used to connect this type of diffusion with the help of metal to the N-type diffusion. Demarcation line is used to differentiate PMOS and